Hi, the variable valve timing oil pressure switch is leaking in this 2012 Legacy. Okay, let's unplug this connector.
Go ahead.
Just squeeze this tab and pull.
And also 24mm.
So the switch is very accessible with that 24mm deep well and a 6-inch extension. Yeah, it's been leaking for a while. It's pretty much caked with baked on oil.
Yeah, that's an M10 threaded bolt in there just to keep that protected while we clean it up.
Now, thread sealant is recommended by the manufacturers, and we're using a Permatex product here.
Go ahead and just turn it in. It's all right.
Now we're using an inch-pound torque wrench, which is better for accuracy at low torques like this. You need to take off the air intake to have a look at the passenger side switch down in air.
Just to show you the other switch for this bank, for this cylinder, is not leaking at all. So we're going to leave it for now.
Okay, we're all done now, no leaks. This was an easy job. And thank you very much for watching, and please subscribe.